Door lock test, baby.
So as of now, if I open the application, it's gonna automatically unlock it as soon as I walk into the door. So I'm not even gonna open up the app. I'm just gonna use the code. So and there's open. Done. And then obviously I can lock it here, but if I wait 60 seconds, it's gonna lock by itself. So I can go ahead and lock it now. It's completely locked. I can also open it with a code. I can also open it with an E key. If I put the phone to it, it would open, but I can't record. Obviously I'm using the phone. So it's pretty cool, man.